Following your ledger update video, could you review the SafePal wallet as a possible alternative from JGI? So it's not all unicorns and rainbows, I'm afraid. SafePal wallet, yes. It is a crypto wallet. It uses a secure element chip to protect your private keys. It's got an easy-to-use interface. It does follow BIP39 seed phrase integration. SafePal also offers a mobile app that allows you easily to integrate with your hardware device. And the app enables you to view your portfolio, send, receive crypto, etc., and interact with Web3 directly from your mobile device. And it's also cheap. Here you see $49.99. And in the past, Ledger was basically the only hardware wallet available, and looked that it was kind of not open source, etc. But there is a small problem with SafePal. So it's not open source. So from that perspective, it gets dinged in our book. And let's recap why. This is what we recommend. And again, our wallet expert is extremely obsessed with security. So first of all, the key elements, and I touched on this last Thursday as well, for any wallet, you need security, you need air gapping, you need cold storage, and you need PIN protection. You need to make sure it is open source. You need to make sure firmware updates do exist. And you make sure it's easy to use, but not too easy. And veracity. Battle-tested. Keystone maybe not around as long as others, but still looks solid. But these are some of the elements that you need to have on your checklist as you go forward. And remember, when you are your own bank, you're responsible for your own security. Okay, so really work on your OPSEC, tie everything down, make sure you have no attack surfaces, and be safe out there, especially as the price of things like Bitcoin go up. In fact, Bitcoin has been quiet. $26,908. It's still flatlining like I discussed yesterday. So nothing too exciting. And all the money's going into meme coin still, sucking up all the liquidity.